Agile methodologies represent a fundamental shift in software development, emphasizing flexibility, iterative progress, and customer collaboration. Unlike traditional waterfall approaches, which rely on rigid phases and predefined requirements, Agile embraces adaptability, allowing teams to respond to changing business needs and customer feedback. The core philosophy of Agile revolves around delivering incremental improvements rather than a fully developed product at once, ensuring continuous enhancements that align with user expectations and market demands. This approach mitigates risks, improves efficiency, and fosters innovation in software development. One of the foundational principles of Agile is iterative development. Traditional methods often required extensive planning upfront, leading to long development cycles and delayed product releases. Agile, however, breaks projects into small, manageable increments known as sprints, typically lasting 2 to 4 weeks. At the end of each sprint, teams deliver a functional product version that incorporates newly developed features and enhancements. This iterative approach allows stakeholders to evaluate progress, provide feedback, and make necessary adjustments, ensuring that the final product meets evolving requirements. Collaboration and communication are integral to Agile methodologies. Unlike traditional models where teams work in isolation, Agile encourages cross-functional collaboration among developers, designers, testers, and business stakeholders. Daily stand-up meetings, also known as scrums, facilitate communication, allowing team members to discuss progress, challenges, and solutions. Transparency is paramount, enabling everyone involved to have a clear understanding of project goals and expectations. This collaborative approach minimizes misunderstandings, enhances productivity, and promotes a sense of shared responsibility. Customer involvement is another crucial aspect of Agile methodologies. Traditional approaches often resulted in software that failed to align with user needs due to limited interaction between developers and customers. Agile solves this problem by incorporating customer feedback throughout the development process. Frequent reviews and demonstrations ensure that the delivered product meets expectations, allowing teams to make necessary adjustments based on user insights. This customer-centric approach increases satisfaction and reduces the likelihood of costly revisions after deployment. Agile methodologies rely on adaptive planning rather than rigid documentation. While traditional development models require extensive documentation before execution, Agile focuses on practical planning that evolves as the project progresses. This dynamic approach enables teams to address uncertainties and changes efficiently, ensuring that development remains aligned with business priorities. Agile frameworks such as Scrum and Kanban provide structured yet flexible processes for managing work, enabling teams to prioritize tasks, track progress, and optimize workflows. Continuous integration and testing are vital components of Agile methodologies. Instead of conducting testing only at the end of development, Agile integrates testing throughout the life cycle. Automated testing tools help identify bugs early, reducing the risk of defects in the final product. Continuous integration ensures that new code merges seamlessly with existing components, preventing compatibility issues and maintaining software stability. This proactive approach enhances software quality and accelerates time to market. Despite its advantages, Agile methodologies present challenges that organizations must address. Transitioning from traditional models requires a cultural shift, as Agile demands flexibility, responsiveness, and open communication. Resistance to change, lack of expertise, and difficulty in balancing Agile principles with business constraints can hinder adoption. Successful implementation requires strong leadership, proper training, and a commitment to Agile values across all levels of an organization. The impact of Agile methodologies extends beyond software development, influencing broader business strategies. Agile principles have been embraced in various industries, including marketing, product management, and even finance. Organizations recognize that adaptability and iterative improvements lead to better decision-making, faster innovation, and increased competitiveness. Agile fosters a mindset of continuous learning and improvement, enabling teams to refine their approaches based on insights and experiences. As technology continues to evolve, Agile methodologies adapt to incorporate emerging trends. DevOps, for instance, complements Agile by integrating development and operations, ensuring seamless collaboration across the software lifecycle. The rise of AI and machine learning further enhances Agile practices, enabling predictive analytics, automation, and intelligent decision-making. Agile methodologies will continue to shape the future of software development, driving efficiency, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Ultimately, Agile is more than a methodology. It is a philosophy that transforms how teams work, innovate, and deliver value. By prioritizing flexibility, collaboration, and customer feedback, Agile empowers organizations to navigate uncertainties, accelerate development, and maintain relevance in a rapidly changing digital landscape. Its principles serve as a foundation for building resilient, high-performing teams capable of creating products that align with evolving market demands.